Here's some awesome iPhone tips that I bet you didn't know. Check this out. You can play over 100,000 retro games for free on your iPhone, such as Nintendo Contra and Mario Brothers, arcade classics like Street Fighter 2, Sega Genesis Altered Beast, Nintendo 64 James Bond, Resident Evil, and more. Also works on your Android and computer too. Open up your browser and go to retrogames.cc. And here you can find all the games you can play for free. Here's how to add it to your home screen like an app. Open up Shortcuts, select the plus icon, add action, then select web. Select open URL, copy and paste the URL retrogames.cc, press on that block for a couple of seconds, then share. Select add to home screen, type in any title, then select the icon to choose photos. Pick the photos you download from Google Images, then add. You can do this for any website you want instant access to. If you want to take a full body iPhone photo at the beach, don't have the sun directly behind them. You'll just end up getting a silhouette photo. But you can take your iPhone photography to the next level by doing this. Check this out. Angle yourself so that you get both land and water in your shot. Also so that the sun will hit 45 degrees angle, giving that person a rim light. Select portrait mode and bring the aperture all the way down to f1.4. Make sure you're at 2x or 3x. Then take the shot. Let's edit. First go to filters and select vivid warm. Next go to the adjust icon, go to brilliance and bring that all the way up. You can stop there, but let's explore photography. Go to highlight, bring that down so the background pops. Bring up the shadow so your subject is brighter. Give it a little bit of contrast. Give it a lot of vignette. Crop it 9:16 vertical to fit your social media. And now you have a professional iPhone photo straight from your iPhone. Place your iPhone on a charging dock like this from Magbak and flip it sideways and your iPhone will turn into an alarm clock. You can flip through your iPhone to get many different styles of alarm clock design. I recommend this minimal space gray Magbak charging dock. It fast charges your iPhone, AirPods, and your Apple Watch at the same time. It comes with a fast charging block. I love how minimal and clean it looks. Perfectly paired with a Magbak phone case that has a magnet on the back so you can stick it on any metal to take a selfie. Discount code MYUNGH15 at magbak.com. Subscribe, share, and follow for more.